I'm Kezza Henshin with another announcement. We are back with episode 2 of Kamen Rider Build! Okay, that might be a bit too much to start off with, but just wanted to say, it's about to be my birthday, so please put some happy birthdays in the comments down below, and please subscribe if you want to continue this journey of Kamen Rider Build. I really enjoyed it. I'm so ready for this, so let's get going on episode 2! Okay, so this is episode 2. Let's go! Already though, I am obsessed. I am ready for it. I really love these two. I know the song, so I'm excited to hear it more. Ready? Be the one, be the one. Alright, be By the end of the day, I'll know the whole song. By the end of this stream, I will know the whole song. And he would probably die, unfortunately. They went through the same thing! They can understand each other, which I think is really fun. Ooh! Yes, that's true! Concentrate, please. He wants to know about us? Oh my gosh. Oh no, maybe not that far back. We don't need yes! Yes! Sento! Too much information? So much information. There's no need for that much information. Yes, please, start there. I think he was scared. Oh my god, his actual microwave. Oh my god, I feel for this gal. She's like, I did everything. Not you. Also, what power does she have? I love her. I can't even remember her name. What's her name? I didn't expect it to be so many characters already, if that makes sense. Someone's also on the stairs, by the way. Just thought I'd tell you. They're like, who? Ah! You're not gonna get any romance this season because there's always a gay. There's always a gay. That is funny. Don't say it so suggestively. We already know where this is gonna end up, and it's with those two dating and you not. Ah! So it's your fault! And you untransformed right in front of her! Okay, that's really your fault. Your fault. And to do some extra stuff? Like, help me find a murderer. Let me guess. She's like, please! What's his connection to this? I guess he is just a... He's like, fuck me. Like, goddamn. Uh-oh. No! It's a trap! Wait! Why are they arrested? Wait, no, they're not arrested? What's happening? Oh, because he's a prisoner, I guess. So they're like, that's quite funny. So were they set up? Into the sea you go. Did he just... Incredible! Incredible! I love that. That's so funny. Why is he using his feet? Interesting, so it's purified. She's purifying it. Okay, she's a purifier? Interesting. Why the feet? Why the feet? I don't want to look at the feet. Stop it. Oh, she left the phone. You're an idiot. Why is he so good at using his feet? I just... Oh my god. Ah! Oh my god, that's actually kind of sad. Oh no. Damn, grippers go crazy. I hate it. Oh, so wait, okay, question. There's like two other states now? Obviously, you left his phone. I kind of adore how nonchalant she is. Oh no, he's in love. Oh no. Aren't we all in love? Oh, I thought it was like she's getting married, not to me. Oh no. Wait, he's straight? Why I'm upset about that? That's really funny. He won't be for long. Sorry, I'm gonna be quiet. Oh, so this is how he was arrested. Is it? Was it? He was set up, obviously, right? He was set up. Whoa, the action going pretty hard. What? Kamen Rider save the day. Oh my god, he becomes the damsel. He becomes the damsel, right? Wrong place at the wrong time, yeah, for sure. Or not. He's even shocked. Why? I kind of want that clipped. Can someone clip that for me? Huh? What is happening? You better... What does it say on the shirt? I'm trying to read it. What even is it? It's a Gatling gun? Gorilla Diamond. Best match. Oh, so they have to match to... I'm getting it. I'm kind of obsessed with this. Why? Gorilla Mond. Maybe we should rank all of the different forms, all of the perfect forms, perfect matches. How many perfect matches are there? Is it? Oh, hi. Hey! Is he lady? Is he just Ladybug Miraculous? Is he just miraculous? Being able to see what works? That's funny. Wait. Whoa. Okay, already. No! That was quick. He went down so quick. Wait, so he knows that she set him up? She may be that thing there. The bat guy. I'm just gonna call him Batman. Batman said he was gonna send her to you. Yeah. Do they... Okay, question. Do they die when they're defeated? Or... Oh, that's... Interesting monsters. They're finally actually not sexualizing the women monsters. I kind of adore that. He's like, you... He's up alive again! How... That was quick wake-up time. Or did he fake it? I don't know. We'll see. Okay, here's the question. Do they die? Do they die once they're defeated? I couldn't remember. I was too distracted with the other guy. He can just turn up. He's just gas. He's just like, I'm here. That's kind of creepy. They literally call him the Batman! Oh, okay. The Night Ring. So he's just Batman, right? Santa can revert them when defeated. Okay, cool. Ooh, Hedgehog. Ooh, I kind of like this combination, though. This might be best match. Best match. PBM? No. I don't know if that means anything. Guinea pigs? Oh my god, literally calling them guinea pigs. That's kind of crazy. Some random bottles. So they are just bottles. I think I might need to buy all the bottles if I enjoy the show enough. Oh my god, dude! It will be fine. Let him do his thing. Batman, go away. How do you know that, though? Suboptimal health. She's not very well, is she? Oh, okay, now that's evil. So he knew that? Oh, that's so... Oh, poor her. Oh my god. Oh, wait! Oh my god! Am I already gonna cry? Oh no. Oh no, I'm gonna cry, aren't I? Oh. It's okay, Bancho. That is so sad. Let me do it. Oh, I just saw his shirt. I can't look at the shirt right now. This is a sad moment. You look better on social media. No, concentrate. Sad moment. This is only episode 2. This is only episode 2 and they already got me feeling emotions. Absolutely not. Absolutely not. Let me just suck all the flames out of you. Ready, go! Please work. He's like, why do you have to go do all of this? Ah! They did it! kind of. Protect her! Oh my god, this reminds me of Kamen Rider Double. I can't. Oh my god. I'm gonna cry. I'm gonna cry. Oh my god. He's trying so hard for him. I lied to you. Did you kill him? So he knew that he was set up. Oh, it was by accident. It's like Kiba all over again too. Fuck me. She did it out of good faith. Oh my god. A little early to be busting out the tears, dude. Oh my god. It's funny, people were like, Kezza reacting to a hetero relationship. I'm like, dude, this is emotional. Oh, there she goes. Oh, and she fades away. Oh. What's she go with Sento. Go with Sento, please. That's so sad. Already. So sad. We've only just begun. So we're killing Batman, right? Yeah, we're killing Batman. Batman! No more part of the DC universe. Dead. Dead. Oh my god. Nothing is right about this, exactly. No! Please stop shouting at us! I just lost my girlfriend! I realized I'm bi! No, I'm joking. It's tamer than future episodes? Oh god, I'm gonna be... I'm not ready for this, am I? The heck? What the fuck? Wait, what is happening? Wait! Oh my god, look. Oh, that's the jacket people always like to wear. Oh, he's sleeping! Ah! So cute. Well, kiss. Joking. Oh, they always... That's another thing. I do remember seeing loads of like funny clips of them jumping and being scared. Dragon? Oh my god! He gets the head! I just got chills. It's her soul! Oh my god! He has her spirit with him at all times! I'm already like broken. Oh, it's the same guy! Okay. I am already broken. I don't... We're not gonna watch the previews because like we're literally just about to go to the next one. But what the heck was that? Oh my god, I'm already like... I'm already broken. That's great. The girlfriend spirit, that's crazy. I'm really glad that we got to have her soul with us still. Oh my god, that's so lovely. For some reason, I was just like, oh, maybe, she did it on purpose. Like, maybe she put him up. I don't know, she did put him up to it, but like, it was by accident. No, sorry. She put him there purposefully to take the murder accusations. I don't know what I'm saying. I'm still emotional. But maybe that's why. But no, it was genuinely she was trying to do a good thing for him. And that is the most... It's the saddest thing that could happen here because she wanted to do best for him and it ended up biting them both, like ruining everything for them. But you can't say that she didn't try. And that's so sad. They got Hanakimi TV writer to write the season. Oh my god, I love... Guys, genuinely, I love Hanakimi so much. They're actually making a true anime for it. So it was a manga, not an anime. And then it was a live action like 5 or 6 times in different Asian countries. It was incredible. I loved it. I watched almost every season. And now they're making it into an anime. So the fact that you said Hanakimi TV Raya works on the season, I am very happy about that. Okay, cool. Let's go on to the next one, I guess. Oh my god. Also, what was with that guy? The friend who just... Is it speed or is he actually got powers as well? Because his daughter has powers, he has powers. What is the connection? Let's see.